Good morning, everybody. Mitch here with a quick pre-market plan for you. Posted this to the Discord last night if you were looking for overnight trading, and I actually took a 2 ES short from right about where we are slated to open with the formulation of today's plan at the forefront of my mind. At the time, if we rejected this kind of key balance area in the middle of these bigger ranges above and below, I'd be looking for a move down to this first test and then the extension down to the beginning of what is a supportive area. And obviously you can see that that worked out. As that pertains to today, coming in on the day, I think the story is still the same. If you clear this 75.45 strike here, this 75.30 SPX area, you kind of open the door up into this upper range. If you clear this 75.70 strike, then you're likely to kind of compel up into this one. I think that would be a great move on the day. I think that is kind of what I would be watching for. Can we break and hold that area and get that extension higher? And then consequently, if we reject it and come back down, we know where kind of the stronger support lives. I would expect, much like recent days, you either kind of grind and chop sideways into that. You would need some really strong volatility to get much lower, obviously. And I think if you didn't and you poked below it, you would likely come back and hold near it. And maybe if you got down there, just like last night, we kind of got our normal move that we've been seeing lately. Hold the lows, bounce around the support, chop a little bit, drift higher, and kind of like come back to the top of that range. So all you got to do is look left, right? Every day we've seen that. We come down, we kind of hold the support, and then we get back to the top of the range. So today, is that going to change? Are we going to get a little more lift? Are we going to clear that kind of resistance overhead? And instead of coming back down, do we actually get the upside move? We'll see. But I think today is really clear about where the ranges are, where the opportunity is. And if things get kind of restricted, knowing exactly where you're bouncing around, playing the edges of these ranges is something to keep an eye out for. But whatever you do, good luck. Jake is live right now. You've got myself and Christian this afternoon, followed up with Ron and Alan after that. So make sure you guys stay tuned to Project 365. It's free, and hopefully we'll see you there.